as you can see during my inspection, there is a huge clog over here at the termination, and if you just kept this like that, it would have caused way more issues down the line, like heating elements and components can go out in the dryer. What I think is a huge clog in here, and we can definitely get that fixed today with just a typical cleaning. If you have any more issues like this with your house, we can definitely come out and check it out with the free inspection. Alright, so now we're down here in the washroom. I just pulled the dryer back, and as you can see there's a lot of lint being built up. He said he just got some work done, and one of the people that did the work had to pull the dryer out. And unfortunately, he didn't put it back together correctly. As you can see, there's some tape back here, which is causing a lot of lint fitting behind this dryer. And obviously, it's not great. It's going to keep this laundry room dirty and just dusty all the time. Looking into the dryer vent, I went down in there and checked, and there's a lot of lint being built up, not only in the roof hood, but in the dryer vent itself. So he would definitely recommend cleaning. And it's good that he had us out here, because they had no problems so far. But if he just kept his dryer vent system like this, eventually the heating elements and the components will go out in the dryer, and maybe something worse, a fire could start. So if you want, have us come out here and do a free inspection, and we'll definitely check out your dryer vent system and see what's going on.